It's Jamila, the writer and owner of Color Me Crafty. Today I am going to show you how to make a laser cut acrylic sign for Valentine's Day. Super easy craft. The acrylic is called Gemini Duets, and I'll leave a link to where you can get it, but it is a three-dimensional sign and it's light enough to hang with command strips. Perfect for the kids' rooms or even in your classroom. If you're new here, go ahead and smash the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so that you do not miss a tutorial. Let's get into it. So this is the design that I'm doing. This Happy Valentine's Day is backwards because I'm using the two-tone acrylic and I want the flip side to show for that. And then over here I already have all my settings set. Now to get it loaded into the machine and get ready to cut it. I already loaded the machine. The Gemini Duets are longer than they're longer than my bed, but it's small enough for me to still sit down in there. So I'm going to close this machine. Once you have all your pieces cut out, you want to go ahead and clean everything up and remove the masking and get ready to glue everything down. I just used regular super glue to glue everything down on mine. You can use whatever works best for you. I did end up going back and cutting out a heart in white so that the colors contrasted a little bit more. But just go ahead and get everything put together. I'm putting my words on first, and then I go back and put the middle heart and glue everything else in the center where the empty heart is. I did notice that with the Gemini Duets, they do not engrave super well, but it worked out for this project because I was just engraving to place an object over them. The white heart was a bit plain to me, so I did go in with some acrylic paint and kind of rub it over and then rub it off so that it gave it a little bit more character and also made the score lines pop a little bit. So that's what you're seeing here. And then I'm just taking that white one and gluing it over top of the red. After you've glued the white board down to the red, you are going to go ahead and place your hearts. It was kind of like a puzzle, but it worked out. You place the hearts down and then remove the masking from them. The last thing you're going to do is add your frame onto the sign. And it's pretty simple and self-explanatory, but if you need a little bit more of an explanation on how I put this all together, then you can check the blog post. I'll go ahead and make sure to link that. And I'll also link to where you can grab this file. So what do you think of our Valentine's Day sign? The fun thing about this project is you can use a thicker acrylic if you want to, and you can even do this in wood. But I loved using the Gemini Duets to do this sign. So go ahead and drop me a comment below. And if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button and turn on the little bell notification. And I'll see you soon.